Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by signing into your Google account on a secure computer or phone. Open Security Settings and locate two-step verification to enable it now. Follow prompts to confirm your phone or password recovery options as requested. Make sure you have at least one physical security key available and consider a second backup key. Confirm your keys support USB-C, USB-A, NFC, or Bluetooth for compatibility with different devices. Keep your backup key stored securely in a different safe location for recovery. Navigate to two-step verification and select Add Security Key to begin registration. Insert or tap your physical key when the browser prompts you to do so. If using Bluetooth keys, follow pairing prompts and confirm the connection securely. Assign a clear, memorable name to each registered key to identify them later. After registering one key, repeat the process to register a second backup security key immediately. Verify both keys work by signing out and signing back and using each key once. After both keys register successfully, return to two-step verification settings to restrict methods. Disable SMS codes, authenticator apps, and backup codes so only security keys remain active. Confirm you can sign in using a physical key before removing other methods. If the option exists, enable enforcement for security keys only to require hardware presence always. Test sign-in on each frequently used device to ensure compatibility and reduce surprises. Store a backup key offline in a secure place to prevent permanent lockout if a key is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.